two Kevins right now. Alright, we have left the tutorial mode.
Okay, level 1.
Okay, for people.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to know.
Someone's gotta be a dishwasher now.
Oh yeah, I gotta use you to dishwash then.
Dishwasher.
Alright, I'm just gonna... Here for your cucumber.
Bless you.
Put cucumber here. I need you guys to give us rice.
We need the rice getting started. Rice.
So you can actually throw rice. We get trapped, I guess. I can't escape right
just
now.
Work around the fire.
Set it down here.
It's fine. Bless you.
There you go. Oh, isn't there supposed to be those things that put out fires? I forgot what they're called. They're there. What else do you need? Probably more meat.
Bless you.
Bless you.
On this side and not
Please,
in the kitchen.
please. So...
What is going on?
Man, this makes me hungry.
No.
Let's serve that one. We'll need more hamburger buns and plates.
Okay.
Plate.
Bless you.
Bless you.
There's a bun here if there's a burger.
Got it.
Cheese. Here's the cheese. Okay.
There you go. I think we're done. We're done. Good job.
And I'm gonna sing it right after this stream. Just saying to get myself out of this wine statue. To bless you. Yeah, yes. So we just stick around for that. Yes. Okay.
Yeah. All right. Whatever people do when Raven, and you're gonna chant at Bibu at her premiere. Okay.
Yeah.
So, happy April Fools!
We're gonna